the limitations of the law, the reality and self-protection for ordinary people. It's a well-known fact that the law cannot achieve 100% fairness. However, as ordinary citizens, we must live within this framework. If you cross this red line, what awaits you is legal punishment. I've often thought about this issue, but ultimately concluded that we can only change our mindset to avoid behaviors and places that pose risks. Trying to challenge the government or the law is not realistic. How can we, as ordinary citizens, resist? Rely on politicians? That's absurd. They are more hypocritical than anyone else, and are outright deceivers. Therefore, we shouldn't dwell too much on these pointless issues. Our focus should be on how to make our own lives safer, and nothing more. This means learning to recognize danger, avoid potential threats, and take appropriate precautionary measures. In addition to prioritizing our safety, we should also familiarize ourselves with laws and regulations related to us, enhancing our legal awareness and sense of rights. This way, we can better protect our legitimate interests and avoid crossing legal boundaries due to ignorance. Moreover, we must stay vigilant, remain aware, and keep up with the latest safety knowledge to ensure the protection of our rights and interests within the legal framework. However, self-protection alone is not enough to solve all problems. We should actively engage in community activities, share experiences with others, and learn from their wisdom to enhance our social responsibility. In a united community, we can help each other and face life's challenges together. Given the current instability in society, we must learn to adapt. With technological advances and the rise of internet crime, we must stay vigilant, increase our awareness of prevention, and continually update our knowledge base. Furthermore, we should also advocate for legal reform, participate in public affairs, voice our opinions and suggestions to help improve the legal system, making it more adaptable to the changes of the times. This way, we can fundamentally alleviate the dilemmas and challenges ordinary people face. In this environment, we need to increase our flexibility and adaptability, learning to find ways to survive in change. By establishing strong social networks, we can access more information and resources to better face various challenges. We should also stay informed about societal changes and be aware of adjustments to national policies and laws, so we can adjust our behavior accordingly and avoid crossing legal boundaries. In this process, we must continuously enhance our knowledge and skills to remain competitive and adaptable to the ever-changing social environment. Faced with uncertainty, we need to maintain an open mindset and actively explore new opportunities and possibilities. This way, we can find our place in this constantly changing world and continue to grow. In our pursuit of a better life, we should also recognize our rights and responsibilities. By respecting the rights of others and maintaining social harmony and stability, we can create a better living environment for ourselves and others. Ultimately, we should critically reflect on the existing legal system and find direction for our own development. By actively participating in public affairs, we can contribute to social progress and development. What actions do you think we should take in this complex and changing world to protect ourselves and others? How can we better adapt to societal changes and find our own path to development within them?